my name is Luis Gustavo. I will present today a presentation about the WEG Digital Passport. So currently we are having problem with the industrial traceability of products. We have a lot of suppliers across multiple countries. There is like loss of history of equipment. There is no verification about maintenance or other things, anything about the product. The product is lost in the track of its life, and the Europe will make it mandatory for the products to have digital passport from 2027 on. Okay. So the solution is to have a digital passport that is a contract that stores the informations about the products, the events that it passes, like transport events or maintenance or the end of the life of the product, like where it went to be recycled, this kind of things. And we want to use the Arbitrum blockchain, that is a layer 2 above Ethereum. The Arbitrum blockchain is public and it has a neutral infrastructure. It means that the computers that runs the Arbitrum nodes are all across the world. It's not from one organization only. Arbitrum is also low cost and it have a high performance, doing more than 4,000 transactions per second. And it can be compatible with the Europe legal requirements, EIDAS, for example. So the benefits of our project can be seen in the business, in this for the stakeholders, for the customers, and for the regulators. The products can sell with an aggregated value, bringing more trust for the customer. So the final user can pay more for products that have a better traceability. Also, having the traceability of the products can reduce the frauds on insurance. This can open way for new revenue streams. For the stakeholder, the manufacturer can have like the complete product life cycle and can enhance the brand trust and reputation for their products, and be more data driven. Other product solutions can be more data driven with this traceability of the products. And for customers, they will have like the complete maintenance history easy to access. They will have like the authenticity of the products verifiable on chain, and it will be easier to predict when the next maintenance will be scheduled, will need to be done. Okay. Why use blockchain? It's well known that blockchain is a technology that makes the data immutable, and it's not it's secure. It cannot be frauded, let's say. And why do it now? The Europe will make mandatory, as we said, to have this digital passport from 2027 on. So now is the time to do it. And the market is demanding this kind of product. So who launches this digital passport now can provide a service for other competitors or collaborators. Why using a public blockchain? Uh, because it will not have a single company controlling the data, so any player that wants to join will join a public platform. Uh, it will have immutable records, it will be verified globally, and it will be like compatible with another another blockchains, and it will be interoperable, let's say. And why to use Arbitrum? Mostly because the security is inherited from Ethereum. It it have a high performance, and it also have a low cost. So our architecture for this product is to have a passport registry that will uh, it's a contract that registers the addresses for all the passports for our products. We'll have a digital passport factory that is a contract that generates new digital passports for new products. We'll have a WEG manager that is a contract that manages the company specific logic, like adding rows, removing rows, adding schemas, removing schemas. Schema is the data structure of an event for the product. Like if I want to create a transport event, I will need to have the origin and the destiny and who is transporting the product. So this schema will be origin a string, destiny a string, and who is transporting the product, an address or uh, a document number, you know. And we'll have an individual passport that is the contract of the product itself. The passport have the unique ID, the event history, uh, a reference for each event that is emitted for this product, and it also benefits from the access control that comes from the WEG manager or the company manager. Let's say WEG manager is a specific contract that inherits manufacturer manager that can be like inherited from any other company. Like any company can create a manager for itself. How it works? The product creation it's done first. So the WEG can create a product, and then this creation deploys a passport for this product and initializes the product. That is the first event. And we then have the life cycle events that, for example, the product goes to a transportation, the product goes to maintenance, or the product have an ownership transfer. Each event will generate a new attestation. And each attestation can be verified. So if I want to see when the last maintenance of this product was done, I can go on chain and get this event. So for the user, this is very good. He will have the complete history of the product instantly, doing a read transaction, and he can verify the authenticity of the maintenance is like done on chain. So only a certified maintainer can create maintenance events. This can be integrated in ERP platforms. The data from the blockchain can be managed and used on another products. Um, the scalability, it's a factor that we don't need to manually care about because it's from Arbitrum. So the capacity to generate this kind of events is the capacity of Arbitrum to generate transactions, so we don't need to worry about it because it's a blockchain used globally to do transactions. It have multi-manufacturer support, so each manufacturer that wants to join this digital passport protocol can create its own contract and use it. And it's also future proof, so it evolves with the ecosystem, you know. So this is a use case. For example, a W22 motor is created and a W22 motor is created in Jaraguá do Sul and passes in all quality tests. This is attested on the digital passport of this product. Then it passes to a transport event for the port of Itajaí. The transport conditions can be attested also. So yeah, the practical benefits is that can be accessed, and yeah, so I pass to another. The technician, before he had to deal with papers and the unknown service history, so he didn't know what the product went on before he worked on it. And now he can just scan a QR code and have the complete history of the product, do a really read transaction. He can like have data and smart recommendations from this data. For the manager, before he had an unknown product condition, he had like the to verify manually each product. He had like warranty disputes, and now he can have everything on chain. And also for the auditor is the same thing. This is a model of implementation roadmap for the phase 1 and phase 2. And now, yeah, this would be like for questions, but since this is a video, I will jump to a demonstration. So here we have the code itself. I will run a hard hat node that is a local node running on my PC, simulating a blockchain. I will also run a deployment script for the contracts. So this now is deploying each contract. The contracts are here. We have WEG manager that we talked about. Passport registry, the manufacturer manager, that is an abstract contract that WEG manager inherits. AEDAS qualified tester, that is a contract to make it compatible with AEDAS standards. And we have this digital passport AEDAS, that is a digital passport contract compatible with the AEDAS qualifier attester. Now it's creating the contracts and creating some test stakeholders so we can use it. Okay. Now that we created our contracts, it saves the deployment addresses here in this JSON. Now we'll say to use it. So just to demonstrate, I will create a new WEG product, for example, WEG WV23 G. Now it's creating the product. Cool, created the product. Here is the transaction hash where the digital passport for this product was created. And now let's do a passport operation. I will add a qualified attestation, for example. I will add a transport event for this product that I just created. I'll use the same address that is here. Now it's creating a transport event. Sorry. And that's it. This is the transport event that was just added. Thank you for watching. Yeah, that's it. Any doubts, any questions, just let me know. Yeah, that's it. Goodbye.